Hi friends, here's a project. I'm sending you all the materials. There's a yellow paper and a black piece of paper. And here's what it looks like, but I don't want you to focus too much on what it comes out to be and make it your own. So in here, we're sending you the patterns. There's a child's face, wheels, windows, and here's the bus shape. But again, don't have to do it exactly like this, but I wanted to send this to you so that you could do it yourself. You can do some tracing. This tracing is also a very important part of our learning. And here's a silly song about the animals on the bus that I thought you would enjoy. And then here's a numbers game. And in the back, you're gonna find bears. So what you're gonna do is, with an adult, cut out all the bears, and you're gonna look at each bus. And see, this bus has 1, so you're gonna put 1. On here, how many bears do you think you need on this bus? Probably 2. And you're gonna go all the way through all of these. You do not have to glue them on. If you leave them off, then you'll be able to use it over and over. But if you wanna glue it on, go ahead and have fun. What else can you do with a bus? Can you pretend you're going on a trip? Can you pretend you're going to school? Can you pretend you're going downtown? Have some fun with it. Bye, friends.